Hello and welcome to the video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a Toyota Yaris LE with the convenience package. This is a 5-passenger hatchback in blue Eclipse, and under the hood you'll find a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder driving on 15-inch wheels. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On top of the door you have your power windows and locks. On the bottom we have some storage space. Next to the door you will find your power adjustable side mirrors, your lighting options, and on the bottom here you have your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system. This Yaris is equipped with all-weather mats and light gray and black cloth seating. And on the bottom you have your manual seating adjustment handles. To turn it on, we got our key fob here. Just push the clutch in and then just turn the ignition on. I'm going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first. As always, you have these arrows here and this will help you cycle through any audio that's playing. You also have your volume buttons here. On the right side, you have your hands-free calling, voice recognition system, and your cruise control right behind the wheel there. If we move onto our screen here and press audio, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, auxiliary, and a Bluetooth device. If we go into car, here you can view your trip information as well as your past records. And if we go into setup here, you have all your settings. If we go into reverse, you get a nice backup camera as well. Underneath that is your climate control system. You got these nice smooth turning dials. On the bottom here you'll find your 12-volt outlet, USB and auxiliary, some storage space as well as 2 cup holders, and then you have your 5-speed manual transmission shifter. And behind that you will find your driver and passenger heated seats. For the rear passengers, we are continuing with the light gray and black cloth seating. And just to show you, these seats do fold down. All we got to do is pull this button up and the seats come folding down, giving you access to your cargo. Taking a look inside the back of this Yaris, you can see we have a nice cargo cover, plenty of space as well, and the rear seats fold down like I mentioned, encasing that extra bit of room. We can also look underneath here and you'll find your spare tire in case one ever goes out on you. Taking a last look at our Toyota Yaris. Once again, some of the great features we'll find includes your 5-speed manual transmission, driver and passenger heated seats, and a backup camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Avenue, St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.